Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya, aka Glam by Pragya, and it has been a very long time that I've actually sat and shoot a video for you guys. And I have actually changed my setup. I have changed my camera that I was using. It's better now. So yes, and I'm also planning to upgrade this camera even. So yeah, actually there's this person who commented on my video that she wanted a video where I would be comparing Dot and Key and Aqualogica. So I thought it would be great because I already had Dot and Key skincare products, a few of them, and Aqualogica skincare products as well. I just recently grabbed their new sunscreen that they have launched. So I thought it would be the perfect time to compare both the products, both the brand, and see what's the difference and what's the tea. And I think there is a tea, guys. There is a tea where I feel that Aqualogica is copying Dot and Key, and we will find out which one is better for you guys based on your skin type. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into the video. I'll be comparing these two products from Dot and Key. One is the barrier repair cream and another one is their sunscreen with the Aqualogica's barrier repair cream, which is also a barrier repair cream, and their newly launched Illuminate and Dewy sunscreen. The reason why I want to compare this to is that this is the Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Sunscreen, and this is also Wild Berry Alpha Arbutin Sunscreen, which also has barrier repair properties and it also has blueberries in it. This is also having berries in it. So I was like, that sounds a little bit similar. So that's why I thought let's just do a test where I'll be comparing this to as well. So I'll be starting off with this Dot& Key Skincare Ceramides and Hyaluronic Skin Barrier Repair Face Cream with probiotics and rice water in it. It has a pH of 5.5. It is for normal to dry and sensitive skin. It has 5 essential ceramides, intense moisturizing, repairs and soothes your skin, and it also is fragrance free and it has 100 grams of product. So now in Aqualogica, it says that it is also a barrier repair moisturizer. This also has 5 essential ceramides in it. Same thing. And this has avocado, which is gonna strengthen and hydrate. Unique water lock technology. Over here, it has probiotics and rice water, and over here it is avocado. That's the difference. But it is also using 5 essential ceramides, and this is also using the same. So now coming to the price point, this is priced at 395, and this is priced at 399, only 4 rupees difference, so they are pretty affordable as well. Dot and Key claims it's not for oily skin, and this is for all skin types, the Aqualogica one. So but I would just say, with my personal experience, I have finished around 4 to 5 tubes of this one, and I am an oily skin girl, but I think it really worked for me as well. So if you are trying to understand, this can be used on oily skin as well, but it just, you have to use it a bit less because this can get greasy, which we will come to the later part when we will be applying and testing it out. Also, Dot and Key has claimed that your skin barrier gonna improve and look better within 4 weeks, but in Aqualogica there is no such claim. First, I'll be talking about the Dot and Key ingredients that it has. First ingredient is aqua. The second ingredient is caprylic capric triglyceride. So now first you need to understand what is the second ingredient. Now capric triglyceride, it is actually a combination of fatty acids from natural oil like coconut oil, and then it is mixed with glycerin to form this sort of caprylic capric triglyceride. So basically it's a derivative of oil and then mixed with glycerin, to be exact. And the 14th ingredient, it has hyaluronic acid. Next it has dimethicone cross polymer. Then it has Laminaria digita extract. I am not sure if I'm pronouncing it correct, but this is actually a potent botanical ingredient which is very rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, which is going to deeply nourish and promote a radiant complexion, a radiant looking skin. The next ingredient that they have is the ceramide 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and in brackets second. So these are the ceramides that they have, and then it has rice bran water, coconut oil, olive fruit oil, jojoba oil. So these are the oils it also has. Now I'll be coming to the ingredient list of the Aqualogica one. So the first ingredient is aqua, same as Dot and Key. The second ingredient is caprylic triglyceride, which is also same as Dot and Key. And the third ingredient is glucose, which is not same as Dot and Key. In Dot and Key they are using glycerine, but in Aqualogica they are using glucose. The bottom of the ingredient list there are ceramides 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 6, and 6 bracket 12, which is the same exact ceramides that is used in Dot and Key. And then it has cholesterol, hyaluronic acid, and that's it. If I have to talk about the Dot and Key's formula, so this one is Dot and Key, and I'll just pump it here, and this is Aqualogica. If you see which one is sliming down is the Dot and Key one. Both are very much similar in the formula wise. I feel they are very lightweight and watery. They have very nice consistency to it. I would like to use the Dot and Key one in the night time to repair my skin, but if I'm going out in the daytime, I would use the Aqualogica one because it stays very kind of matte and it doesn't feel heavy on my skin, very lightweight, still makes my skin feel fresh and hydrated for a very long time. So I really like both of them, but I would use it at different timings. But if you just want to buy one moisturizer, and if you're an oily skin girl, I would recommend the Aqualogica one. So now I'll be comparing the Dot and Key sunscreen with the Aqualogica Illuminate UV sunscreen. This is newly launched, but I was so excited to get this one because look at the packaging. It looks so pretty, so beautiful. It just screams Barbie, and I really love this packaging. And I also love the Dot and Key one. It just feels like swimming pool, calmness, fresh kind of packaging. I really like this one as well. First, I'll start off with the Dot and Key Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Sunscreen. It has SPF of 50, long lasting moisture, broad spectrum PA4 plus with hyaluronic acid and 5 ceramides. It's for dry and sensitive skin with 6 UV filters and non-greasy finish, and it has a 50 gram of product in it, and it is fragrance free. First, I'll talk about the claims that Dot and Key sunscreen had made. So one thing is that it's going to repair your skin. It has 80 minutes of water resistant, it has 6 UV filters, and it's going to absorb into your skin in seconds. So it claims to be very fast absorbing formula. Now in Aqualogica, it claims to protect against UVA, UVB, and blue light, protects from sun tanning, evens out your skin tone. That means that it's going to work on your pigmentation, dark spots. It's going to be hydrating, non-sticky, and lightweight. Now that's what both of them claims. So first, in Dot and Key, first it has aqua, then it has all the filters that's going to protect our skin from sun, then it has the ceramides that's going to hydrate and protect our skin, and lastly it has the blueberry thing at the pretty much last mid of the section. So that's how the ingredient list is for the Dot and Key one. Coming to the Aqualogica's ingredient list, it also has aqua. In Dot and Key they have mentioned water, in Aqualogica they have mentioned aqua. Then it has the same ethyl hexyl methoxynamate, and after that it has butyl methoxy dibenzol methane, then benzophenol. It has olive oil, blueberry fruit extract, grapefruit extract, wild berry extract, sunflower oil, zinc oxide, then there is alpha arbutin, and there is titanium dioxide, and then it has ascorbic acid and hyaluronic acid as well. I have to talk about the UV filters used in both of them. They are pretty much same. There is no difference. Whatever used in Dot and Key is the same used for Aqualogica. So if you are thinking filter wise there is any difference, there is no difference at all. In the key ingredient wise, for brightening and for antioxidants, they have used something else and they have used something else. That is the only difference. So now if I talk about the formula, how the texture feels like, now this is the Aqualogica one, this is the Dot and Key one, which is also very nice. Now if you notice again, the Dot and Key one is slipping off, and whereas the Aqualogica one is not slipping off. So the Dot and Key one is very ultra light. If you understand by this, the Dot and Keys one is very watery, like pretty much like water, if you notice in my hand. And the Aqualogica one I feel is a little bit thicker in consistency than the Dot and Key one, and that's the only difference I can. This is Dot and Key, this is Aqualogica. This is the only difference I can tell. So here I'm using the Dot and Key one. You can see it just kind of blends into your skin really fast, very fast absorbing. And you can really layer this one, and here I'll use the Aqualogica one on this side, Again, one pump, but this one takes some time to blend. It has a nice, a little bit thick, creamy formula. This side has completely dried down. It doesn't feel a thing. Still feels a bit of wet and like there's a film on my skin. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was beneficial for you. You can decide now which one to get, if it is Dot and Key or if it is Aqualogica. Mention in the comments below if you guys see any difference or if you feel both are same. Just let me know your verdicts as well, because I do read your comments and I just try to keep up with you guys. To subscribe to my channel and like my video, that would mean a lot to me, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.